so the next thing that you're going to do is analyze the data that you just got onto your Excel spreadsheet. So we're going to use the correlation example spreadsheet. So in your Schoology page for the class, you go to tutorials. And then we scroll down to examples of, I don't know why that's giving me a pop-up, but whatever. So we'll scroll down to examples of correlation. Going to download this sucker. Put the download icon here. See if that works. Man, you thought stats was exciting before you got to watch me wait for pages to load. Good times. All right, so it is downloaded. You can double click that to take a look at it. And it will gradually open in Excel. Look, it's my MBA data. And there's my correlation data. So this is the analysis for performing the correlation. So we're going to need 3 of these, right? One for each test, one for each statistic, rebounds, steals, and blocks. So if I right click down here in the tab that describes the sheet's name, nothing happens because I haven't enabled editing. So I will enable editing. This is how I learn things about Excel, guys. I try it, and if it doesn't work, I try something else. So now correlation is available here. What I'm going to do is move or copy. And I'm going to move it to the different book. I'm going to move it to the NBA book. I'm going to create a copy and move it to the end. So there we go. So that, now I'm in the NBA, now you see there's a copy of that. So I'm going to make another copy and move to the end and create a copy. So I've got one for boards, one for steals, and we need one more for blocks. So I'll make another copy, move to the end, create a copy. There we go. So I'll call this boards, rebounds, steals, and blocks. Glorious. So in order to do my rebound correlation, I have to find defensive rebounds. So those are DRB, DREB. Ooh, they've expanded the description. So I'm just going to select that column, copy it, go to the rebounds tab, select that single cell there, and my computer's control button doesn't work all the time, so I'll try that again. Rebounds, control V. There we go. And now we're going to go back here, and we're going to get win percentage. Copy that, put it over here, and paste it there. So we say rebounds, defensive rebounds, and winning percentage. Here let me change those here. And look, it's already done the analysis for me. Good times. So this one's significant. So the more boards, the better your winning percentage. So a little bit of editing here. I'm going to change the number format to percentage. And I'm going to shave off some decimal places. And now that's all PurdyLac. And then I'm also going to have it go from 0 to 1. Great. And then this one is going to be, I'm going to change this to winning percentage. And I'm going to change this to average defensive rebounds per game. Great. Actually, you know what? Now that I've got this all set up, this is going to be better. If I copy this, more of my work will be done. So I'm going to delete this one. Yep. I'm going to delete this one. I was right-clicking to bring those menus up. Now I'm going to copy this one. Copy, the end, create a copy, okay, call it steals. I double click to bring that up. Right click, move for copy, move to end, create a copy, okay, blocks. Now check this out. So I go here, I copy winning percentage. No, winning percentage is now already in both of them. So now I just go over here to steals, a favorite statistic of people from St. Louis. And we paste that sucker in here. And we rename this steals. And we change this to steals per game. We double click this one. Tell this to auto. Oh, I pasted in the wrong one, didn't I? It's almost like I'm being distracted by my children or something. So let's paste that in the correct. Undo. Trying to undo here. Undo, 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 undo. So I obviously shouldn't paste in the winning percentage thing. I should paste it here. Steals. There we go. So much better. All right, now we change this to steals. And we change that to steals. And oh my goodness gracious, what do we have here? Notice that. I need to change this to include more of the data. Better. All right. Should probably do that with boards as well. Yep. Drag that down. Good times. Okay. I think I'm going to change the x-axis range here too to show a different minimum. I'm going to have it be 25. I think that captures the data more interestingly, don't you? Yes, I agree. I'm glad you agree. Steals, again, we'll do 5 to 12 here. Maybe 6. Let's do 6. See what happens. Yeah, 5 is better. Glorious. So there's no correlation here. As you can see, the correlation is 0.2, which is not very big. And the p-value is greater than 0.05, so it's not significant. I've done a lot of edits, so I'll save. And now for our last one, blocks. Copy blocks. Block sheet. Paste it here. Change that to blocks. There we go. And we're going to change. We're going to click on the single click on here. Change the range of data that we're looking at. If for whatever reason the mouse thing's not working for you, you can change that with this select data button here. All right, so that's fixed. And then again, I want to change the x-axis to go start at 3. And there we go. Again, you can see blocks. There's no real relationship there. So that's what I need for my report. I've got blocks, not significant. Steals, not significant. Rebounds, highly significant. Very small p-value, high significance. So, in fact, explains 30%, 31% of the variation in winning percentage is explained by variation in rebounds. So it's quite a strong indicator. So I would say, based on my data from the 96-97 season, that defensive rebounds are super important for winning, and that's something that should be worked on. Steals and blocks, not so much. So I could copy these charts into my report, write my report, and turn it in and hope to get pretty good credit. So I hope this helped you and that you will have success in doing the NBA case study.